Are you tired of feeling trapped on the content treadmill, constantly posting but seeing diminishing returns? Many founders feel this struggle. The effort goes up, but the engagement keeps falling. You're looking at your metrics. Reach is shrinking and engagement is declining. It's frustrating. This feeling of content treadmill fatigue is real, and performance drops lead us to blame the algorithm. But what if the problem isn't the algorithm, but something deeper in your system? The truth is, performance drops are often structural. They are caused by message fatigue, unclear positioning, or a lack of narrative evolution. More content doesn't fix a broken system. It just creates more noise around an unclear message. At Swarigio, founded by Vishal Baurai, we approach this challenge differently. We focus on signal over noise. Our core philosophy is building quiet lead machines backend infrastructures that convert attention into high-ticket clients automatically. We help you transition from scattered, loud activity to focused, signal-based communication that resonates with the right people. The foundation of this shift is fixing your positioning and core messaging. Swarigio's approach involves redefining your category of one positioning, helping you eliminate competition by being unmistakably clear about who you are and who you serve. This means reworking your core messaging and creating psychology-backed content assets that pre-sell leads before they even talk to you. We replace the content volume game with strategic consistency and clarity. You move away from chasing daily virality and instead prioritize building intentional assets that work, even when you're offline. The goal is to shift your content creation from busy, scattered work to a focused, predictable system built on infrastructure. The ultimate result is a stable system that prioritizes trust, clarity, and consistency over frantic frequency. When your brand operates with clarity, growth becomes predictable, authority becomes quiet, and demand becomes natural. Imagine a calendar full of qualified leads, delivered quietly and consistently, allowing you to focus on your highest leverage work. If you are ready to stop shouting into the void and start attracting clients with structure, it's time for a deeper look. Secure a private pipeline audit today. We'll find the leak in your system and give you a custom execution plan. Find the link in the description.